Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious sushi ginger at home. First, choose young ginger, identifiable by its pale skin and sometimes pink tips for the best results. Carefully peel the thin skin using a spoon or a vegetable peeler. Then, slice the ginger as thinly as possible, aiming for about 1 millimeter in thickness, which helps it absorb the pickling liquid beautifully and ensures a tender bite. Next, we prepare the ginger for pickling. Sprinkle about 1/2 teaspoon of salt over 8 ounces of sliced ginger and let it rest for 5 to 30 minutes. This step helps remove extra water. After salting, quickly blanch the ginger in boiling water for just 1 to 2 minutes. This brief boil mellows its spiciness and softens the texture slightly, preparing it perfectly for the brine. Now, let's create the essential sweet and sour pickling brine. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of rice vinegar, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Gently heat this mixture, stirring until all the sugar and salt have fully dissolved. It's important not to boil it vigorously. Once dissolved, remove the brine from the heat and let it cool completely to room temperature. For the final step, carefully transfer your blanched and squeezed ginger into a clean, sterilized jar. Pour the cooled pickling brine over the ginger, making sure all the slices are completely submerged. Seal the jar tightly and refrigerate it for at least 24 hours. For the best flavor development and that characteristic pink hue, allow it to pickle for a few days. Enjoy your delightful homemade sushi ginger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.